Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix YouTube search not working. So if the YouTube search isn't working, what you want to do is first thing first, you want to make sure to go ahead and check your internet connection. So launch open settings on your device, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap on internet and network. You want to make sure to go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That can also help you out. Next, while you're in the same section, you also want to make sure to go to app section. There you just want to make sure to locate YouTube from the list, and you could go ahead and clear cache, and you can go ahead and tap on the storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That should definitely help you out as well. Next, what you also can do is here, you just want to make sure to go and update. So look for the App Store and tap on the search bar, type in YouTube, and make sure that the YouTube app is updated to the latest version. If the application isn't updated, it could cause such issue as well. And if the issue still persists on, what next you could do is you could also go ahead and restart your device, hold on to your side button. That can also help you out. So these are some of the ways you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.